Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 70 and today I'm going to show you how to change the straps on this watch. So let's get started. And if you want to change the straps on your watch, first you need to grab it, pick it up and then flip it around. And on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And basically what you need to do is to pull on the lever towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, it will release the strap from one side of the watch, and then you can pull it out from one side and then do it from the other as well. So let me demonstrate. So basically you pull on this and then pull out from the one side and then from the other. Sometimes the tension on this lever is quite high, so be careful. You might break your fingernail or something. So if it's not letting go easily, I would use something else than fingernail, maybe something flat, like a, I don't know, some kind of piece of metal, something basically flat that you can use to pull the lever. I'm gonna put it with my fingernail, like this. Maybe you can see it like that. Then pull out from one side. Like I said, the tension on it sometimes is quite rough. Pull it out from this side and then take it out from the other. And here we have our straps and our watch separated. And let's say you get new straps and you want to attach them. It's also quite simple. You grab the strap, you take the side opposite from the lever, so this one, you insert it into a watch. So we need to do it like this, kind of weird way, like that. And then you pull on the lever right here to retract this pin. And once you retract it, you can push the strap in and then release the lever to like lock into a hole on the watch. So pull on it, push it in once it retracts and release it and it will click in. Same for the other side as well. So like this, you insert it on one side, like that, align it, then pull on the lever, push it in. Sometimes it struggles, and then release it and it will hold on. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.